Buying these top 10 altcoins under US $1 will definitely make you rich in 2025 and beyond. Altcoins are all cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. These altcoins have risen to prominence and have become major players in the digital currency market. If you're looking to get started inexpensively and with less risk, you might consider affordable cryptocurrencies that easily fall under your budget. The blockchain technology of affordable cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, XRP, and more makes them safer and less susceptible to fraud, even though it is not regulated. Despite the bearish trends in the crypto market, these altcoins are rising at a steady pace, and here are the top 10 altcoins under US $1 prepared for a 100x growth by 2025. Tron is a decentralized blockchain-based operating system developed by the Tron Foundation and launched in 2017. Another reason why we add it to our list of affordable cryptocurrencies to buy is that it already is heavily discounted. At the time of writing, for instance, TRX tokens are selling 80% below their all-time high, and moving forward, they are expected to reach $4 by the end of 2030, which implies that you could be staring at 8,000% gains. It is one of the best altcoins under US $1 to buy for 100x growth by 2025. Krypton, CRP, is a privacy coin of the Utopia P2P ecosystem, a completely ready-to-use project with a variety of built-in tools for messaging, browsing, etc., appreciated by thousands of users. CRP is a secure and promising coin that does not display any transaction data and uses proof-of-stake rewards. Although this is not the most popular coin, its fundamental gives hope for growth and development prospects. It is one of the top 10 altcoins with future growth potential. Binance Coin. The Binance exchange platform's performance is directly linked to the performance of Binance Coin, BNB. The BNB value might cross U610 by the end of 2023. This is a good choice if you want to invest and gain through cryptocurrency by 2025. XRP. Ripple XRP is popular as it can process transactions in only a few seconds. This too requires a low cost and minimal energy. Due to its consensus protocol, XRP has become one of the most environmentally friendly cryptocurrencies, making it a better option than Bitcoin. It is one of the best altcoins under US $1 to buy for 100x growth by 2025. Cardano. Cardano uses proof of stake, POS, instead of proof of work, POW, which improves its sustainability. Being a third-generation cryptocurrency, it combines the best features of first- and second-generation crypto coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is one of the top 10 altcoins with future growth potential. Avalanche. Avalanche gives you the option of limitless interoperability with many blockchains. Its operations and scaling procedures don't sacrifice decentralization. It is one of the best altcoins under US $1 to buy for 100x growth by 2025. Streamcoin. Streamcoin is developing a blockchain ecosystem for live streamers, content creators, and viewers alike. This ecosystem features Streamcoin's own NFT marketplace, where users can mint their own videos as NFTs. It is one of the top 10 altcoins with future growth potential. Shiba Inu. This coin did not start on a serious note, but soon gained much attention and investors. Its ever-growing and faithful community is its USP. The community has also created an NFT project to gain more investors. It is one of the top 10 altcoins with future growth potential. Decentraland. Decentraland works on Ethereum's blockchain-based virtual game. It uses a 3D virtual world for crypto transactions. It is one of the best altcoins under US $1 to buy for 100x growth by 2025. Dogecoin. Elon Musk has turned this meme coin into a serious investment option for many people. Though it is prone to abrupt fluctuations, its huge community of investors is a plus point. It is one of the top 10 altcoins with future growth potential.